Hi everyone, welcome to DevOps Bunker. This video is an introduction about myself and my channel and what I will be covering here. So myself is Ram and I'm working as a senior DevSecOps engineer and I have 10 years of experience on DevOps tools and automation. On this channel, I will be sharing practical tutorials, real world tips, what will be covered on this channel. I'm primarily focusing on below courses and rest will be decided later. All courses will be covered with real-time projects examples. First one is GitHub and GitHub Copilot, Jenkins, SonarQube, Nexus, Docker, Podman, Ansible, Azure DevOps, and more courses will be decided later. And also I'm covering real-time issues around CICD tools. Guys, if you want to learn these tools or if you are already working with these tools, it is better to subscribe because we will be getting more knowledge on these tools. So please subscribe. It will be encouraging for me to make more courses like this. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.